So it's about eating the same kind of food, which is home cooked practically most days of your life. Like my comfort food, like if I don't eat khichdi for like 2-3 days, I actually start craving it.
Really?
Yeah, I'll message her. I'll say there's no khichdi in this diet. I can't sleep in the night. Like you're saying ke you need a drink. I'm like, I can't sleep. I've not eaten khichdi.
बॉलीवुड की बेबो यानी हमारी करीना कपूर खान सिर्फ अपने फैशन के लिए ही नहीं बल्कि फिटनेस के लिए भी जानी जाती हैं। करीना के जैसे ग्लो पाने की चाह ना जाने कितनी हसीनाओं की रही है। हाल ही में करीना अपनी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट रुजुता दिवेकर की बुक लॉन्च इवेंट में गई, जहां उन्होंने वो सारे फूड सीक्रेट्स बता दिए जो वो खुद फॉलो करती हैं। करीना का एक डायलॉग बहुत फेमस रहा है कि मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ और करीना इसी पर काम करती हैं। वो कहती दिखी कि आप सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट रहती हैं तो ये आपको अंदर से खुशी देता है। खाने की बात करें तो करीना हर वो चीज खाती हैं जो उन्हें खुशी का एहसास करवाती है। घर के खाने की घी, खिचड़ी, दाल, सब्जी वो सब खाने की शौकीन है। वो डाइट लेती हैं जो उनका दिल करता है, लेकिन एक बैलेंस में।
So it's about eating the same kind of food, which is home cooked practically most days of your life. Like my comfort food, like if I don't eat khichdi for like 2-3 days, I actually start craving it.
Really?
Yeah, I'll message her. I'll say there's no khichdi in this diet. I can't sleep in the night. Like you're saying ke you need a drink. I'm like, I can't sleep. I've not eaten khichdi. Yeah, so I'm like, Rujita, there's no khichdi. Can I eat? She's like, yeah, of course. Shito is a...
Karina, do you know I've never heard a Punjabi say they like khichdi? Only Bengalis like khichdi. Do you know this? I've always heard Punjabis say khichdi for when we're sick. And Bengalis love eating khichdi. They eat khichdi when it rains, right? So they think it's a treat food.
Yeah,
you're
but
the first person-
my cook is like exhausted because he's like, because she'll make you eat the same food like for 10-15 days. Like I'm eating like, okay, khichdi, dal rice, I don't know, dahi rice. He's like, what am I cooking? But I can like be really happy to eat khichdi at least 5 times a week, which I think works, and it's somehow it just keeps me happy with that little dollop of ghee. That's
So-
my dinner tonight also.
On that note, what did you both eat for lunch today? What was your ghar ka khana today?
Mine was lauki, dal and rice as per.
खिचड़ी के बारे में बात करते हुए करीना बताती हैं कि उनको खिचड़ी इतनी पसंद है कि वो बाकी चीजों और ड्रिंक के बिना रह सकती हैं, लेकिन खिचड़ी के बिना वो नहीं रह सकती। 2-3 दिन बाद ही उन्हें खिचड़ी की क्रेविंग होने लगती है। इसी के साथ करीना ने कहा कि उनकी डाइट में तौरी लौकी होती है और रुजुता ने कहा कि उनकी फेवरेट घर की रेसिपी पूरन पोली है।
She eats turi and lauki every day.
Really?
जैक फ्रूट उन्हें बहुत पसंद है। करीना का सिंपल सा फंडा है, दिल खोल कर घर का खाती हैं। हल्की फुल्की सैर, वर्कआउट और योगासन में वो सूर्य नमस्कार करती हैं। सैफ और वो एक साथ मिलकर अपने लिए कुकिंग करते हैं और डाइनिंग टेबल पर बैठकर वो खूब मस्ती और खाना एंजॉय करते हैं। कपूर फैमिली के फेवरेट फूड के बारे में जब पूछा गया तो उन्होंने बताया कि कपूर्स का फेवरेट तो पाया सूप है।
Yeah, I think all the Kapoors are obsessed with payas, the paya soup
Yeah.
that's there.
Oh, this is in your pregnancy book too.
Yes, it is in there. I gave the recipe also.
Yeah.
I don't know what Rujita feels about that. She'll probably say like, oh, wait, okay, seasonal because it's more like a winter thing or whatever. But yeah, that's a complete go-to dish for us.
It was delicious sounding. What about you, Rujuta?
Oh, I like everything. You know, I like everything.
Just told you
about food.
some dahi rice with some kachumbar. She's very into all of that.
I like everything about food, and I obviously like the people that I'm eating with. If I don't like the people that I'm eating with, I just don't eat food. You know, I'd rather eat alone than eat with people whose company I don't enjoy. But I think, you know, Karina's going to replace that paya with khichdi very soon. I think, you know, when you're talking to the next generation of Kapoors, they'll be like, hum khichdi khate hain.
I don't think that's going to happen. What do you guys feel somehow? They're shaking their
It's
head.
okay not to like dent the legacy of paya, you know, but you just bring it to include the khichdi, that's all.
But I think that if you are like eating right somehow, even you're mentally thinking straight, you're like if I don't eat, like I skip a meal with this intermittent fasting and don't eat, I've noticed that like, I don't know, I'm just like in a really bad mood. Like I can't shoot, I can't work. my mind is just thinking that, okay, now I'm hungry. When is the next meal? So I just feel like to maintain yourself and be happy even in your workplace, it's so important to have like a good breakfast, to have that focus and that ability. So, this is what I believe in my personal experiences.
हालांकि रुजुता ने कहा कि अब शायद करीना ये लेगेसी तोड़ दें, क्योंकि करीना खिचड़ी की दीवानी है.
But I think, Kareena is going to replace that paya with khichdi very soon. I think, when you're talking to the next generation of Kapoors, they'll be like, हम खिचड़ी खाते हैं.
खैर बता दें कि करीना ने आगे बात करते हुए कहा कि वो भूखी नहीं रह सकती, ना कोई इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग करती हैं. भूखे रहने से उनका मूड खराब होता है और वो काम पर भी फोकस नहीं कर पाती. इसके अलावा काम की बात पर करीना ने कहा कि वो अगर 85 साल की भी हो गई तो भी काम करती रहेंगी, क्योंकि वो कभी किसी पर डिपेंड नहीं रहना चाहती.
Everything, age is just, it's just a number. My only thing is that I want to always be fit to take on whatever, old age brings. I want to be able to do what I have to do, whether it's go to set also at 70, 75. I want to keep working, 85, all my life. I want to do that, I want to be able to bend to, pick up my grandchildren. I want to be able to do things and not be dependent on someone or a stick. I want to. So for that, I need to eat right with her guidance. I need to have mobility to work out, not, to look good.
तो अब तो आप जान गए होंगे कि करीना की खूबसूरती और फिटनेस का राज क्या है. आप करीना की बातों पर कितना सहमत है, हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताएं.
ऐसे ही और वीडियोस के लिए आप नारी के पेज को YouTube पर सब्सक्राइब, Facebook पर लाइक और Insta पर फॉलो करना ना भूलें.